Hi, this is Joette with ballooncoach.com, and today I want to show my members how to access their member area and to get the links to our live webinars. So when you go to ballooncoach.com, you click login, which will allow you to see dashboard. When you go into your member dashboard, you will have access to the programs that you've purchased. And then if you are part of a program that has live webinars like our Balloon Boss Mastermind, the first Monday and the fourth Tuesday of each month at 9 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Pacific, you can simply go onto your dashboard and go down and you will see a place that says upcoming webinars. You are registered for this month's webinar and your unique link is here. Go to that link, copy and paste it, and put it into the browser so you can attend the meeting. If you're not seeing your member area, it may say that your account is suspended. What you will need to do is go into your account and then update your credit card information and then look at the invoices and pay any past invoices. So you can view the invoices here, or you can update, add, or update an existing credit card. All that information is right there for you. After you do that, you will log out of the system, log back into the system, and you'll be able to have access to the link. If you have questions, concerns, or problems, email contact@ballooncoach.com. Again, email contact@ballooncoach.com. That will take you to my virtual assistant who is on every Monday and every Tuesday with those monthly meetings, the first Monday and the fourth Tuesday, to help you live get into the event. If you send me a private message, I'm not able to help you out when I'm on live on a webinar. The other thing I want to let you know in this member area is this is a place to change your password and to look at your past invoices. So again, Joette with ballooncoach.com showing you as a member how you can access your member dashboard, make a payment on a past due invoice if needed, and how to access your link to come to our live online training. When you're looking for other in-person and online training, just go to ballooncoach.com, and we look forward to seeing you each November in Orlando and allowing you to have access to our online training anytime. Take one step today to create the future you desire. I enjoy being your partner in success. Have a great day.